In this video, we will see how we can delete import CAD and link CAD in Revit using Dynamo. Here you can see two link CADs are here and one import CAD is here. We can see the same information from manage link. See, there are two link CAD. Now for this script, three nodes will be required. One is import instance dot report instance, import instance report dot import instance, and import instance report dot is link. And these nodes are coming from BoolMask nodes. I have already installed these packages, and if we go to the help, we will see the same information here. See, boolmask.com is here. Now close everything and create the script from scratch. First type here report instance. See, this is our first node. Next, report dot import. See, this is our second node. Change automatic to manual and connect these two nodes. Next, search for report dot is linked. See, this is our third node. And run. See, one false value is here, that is for import CAD, and rest two are for link CADs. Now we will require list filter by BoolMask. This will separate link CAD and imported CAD. Run. See, in list there are two CADs which are actually link CADs, and in out list there is also one CAD that was the false value which is for import CAD. Now search for elements.delete. And connect with in-list and out-list separately. Renaming this one as import CAD delete. And this one link CAD delete. Now we are freezing this because if we run this script, and now this will remove all the import and link CAD immediately. We will update our script to run it from Dynamo player. So search for if and connect was deleted to test, and now search for string node. And connect with true and false separately. Now for true value, just type here all link CAD deleted, and for false value just type null, and at the end just connect a watch note and make it as is output. Copy these four nodes to here and connect import CAD to if. Change here link to imported. Now the script is prepared. Here this will remove all the link CADs and here all the imported CADs. Just unfreeze here and save this script as test import delete. Now freeze import CAD delete and unfreeze link CAD delete and save as test link delete. Now close everything. We will run these two scripts from Dynamo player. See, these two nodes are here in Dynamo player. Just click on test import delete and run. See, all imported CAD deleted here. Now back and click on test link delete and run. See, all link are deleted. So if this video is helpful to you, please like this video, share this video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.